Over the last 100 days, I've been running a faceless YouTube channel. My goal was to get monetized as soon as possible and make my first $100. We see many channels on YouTube that can millions of views and earn thousands of dollars. And the best part is it's totally auto-matching. Let me explain. So the channel I'm talking about is called 𝗖𝗍𝗆𝗆, where I make long-form videos about health and fitness. In this video, I'll focus how you make same type of content and monetize it. There's a way to achieve these results in just a few months. At the end of this video, I will show how much money my channel has made. At the end of this video, you will have a viral strategy to create your YouTube automation and have full guide on how to make faceless channel, no matter your niche or experience. We'll go from finding the video topic to writing the script, voiceover, editing, music, sound effect. But first, we need to create a channel and branding that channel. Don't think too much about your channel name. Audience is concerned with your content, not your name. Let's make your work easy. Go to ChatGPT for ideas. I asked it to generate 20 unique and catchy names for health and fitness YouTube channel. The channel will focus on providing viewers with fitness tips, workout routines, and overall guidance for a healthy lifestyle. Each name should be simple, memorable, and reflect the channel's positive and motivating vibe. These were the results. Damn, result is too good. Now that you have a channel name, it's time to create a logo and banner for your channel. I personally use Canva for logo and banner design. Now we need to move on to making the videos. To start, let's look at our competition's channel and see what videos of theirs get the most views. You see, these channels are absolutely huge here on YouTube. Oh look, it's 5.6 million views. Now let's get to work. If you're posting randomly without choosing a clear topic, sorry, but you can't to succeed on this platform. So first we select a niche. And this is the list of high-paying niche. So we selected health and fitness. It's one of the high-paying niche. After picking a niche, it's time to craft a script. You can go with ChatGPT or Google Bard for your script. Create an engaging and informative script for an 8-minute YouTube video. What happens to your body when you plank for 5 minutes every day? Break down the content into key points. Ensure the script is structured for a captivating and educational video presentation. But here, the important point. Always give that script a proper going over before you dive into the recording because AI isn't spot on for this job. Now we have the script, but we need a voice. There are tons of text-to-speech tools out there, but best and most realistic one is 11 Labs. In fact, the voice you're listening to right now is also made here. Now, all you need to do is choose a voice or generate a custom one and paste your script to generate the voiceover.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a topic that's going to make a huge impact on your fitness journey. We're diving deep into the world of planking, specifically what happens to your body when you plank for 5 minutes every day.
It's fine. I will show this part in After Effects, but you can do the same in every editing software. First, take the voiceover you generated and import it to your project, then drag it to the timeline. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus D to make cuts. Now we need footage to add on top. Let's explore it. There are several top-notch sites that are offering high-quality free stocks like Pexels and 𝗖𝗍𝗆𝗆𝗍. I also use YouTube for some specific footage. Go to YouTube, search for things related to your topic, and download them with a random website. Then take all that footage and import to your software. Cover all your voiceover with related clips. Don't forget to add 1 or 2 interaction clips to keep the viewers engaged. Now, sound effects. It is a different video topic by itself, but if you have never used them before and don't know where to start, don't worry. We only need one sound effect. That is idea sound effect. If you need more, search on YouTube, like tension sound effect, whoosh sound effect, cinematic sound effect, laugh sound effect. You got the point. Once you adjusted the volume, the final touch is adding some background music. It will also found on YouTube and simply download it. But make sure you're using no copyright music. Now, finally, we can export the final video. Let's dive into the part many of you have been curious about, the earnings. In the last 100 days, our channel has brought in a total of $1,800. Yes, You heard it right, $1,000. As we wrap up, let me know your thoughts on today's video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash like button for more awesome content like this. Stay tuned for more exciting content and appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.